how to install ChatGPT on Mac. For that, if you open App Store and search for ChatGPT, then here you will see many GPT apps, but you will not find any official app over here. So close it and open Safari, and here type ChatGPT and hit return. From here you can see under chatgpt.com, click on it. If you find openai.com, you can also go from there to scroll a bit down till you find macOS. Under download ChatGPT for desktop and click on allow, and here you can check our file has been downloaded successfully. Just click on it. If you see it in your dock, you can click it from there also. Double click on it to open it and drag the ChatGPT icon into applications folder to install it. Now when you go to Launchpad, you will see ChatGPT is now here, and you can click on it to open it. Click on open, and from here you can use your Google account to sign in or simply sign out to use ChatGPT on Mac. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.